Hey everyone, it's Melanie here with Vintage Hill Studio. I'm so glad you joined me today. We'll be making this beautiful nativity card. So I'll be using the Elentina cutting die as well as the embossing folder from Momenta. The Elentina cutting die is one of my favorites. I use it a lot and it makes very delicate, detailed cuts. And then this Momenta wreath embossing folder does a beautiful job making a very nice, elegant wreath. So together we'll be making this simple nativity card. And to keep it simple and the focus on the nativity, I'll be using black for the nativity on an ivory background. To save time, I've done all my cuts and my embossing off camera. As you can see, this nativity cutout is just gorgeous. So I'll be working on a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card. So the length originally is 8 1/2. I scored at 4 1/4, which will give me a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card. Alright, I'll give that a good crease with my bone folder. And we'll have our card base all done here. Okay, we're ready to go. Moving on, I'll be matting that with a 5 1/2 by 4 1/4 inch black mat. That'll go directly over my card base. And next I will be using that embossed ivory cardstock that's got our wreath on it. And I hope you can see on camera how beautiful and elegant this wreath is. It's just gorgeous. That goes on our black mat just like that. And then I'll bring over my nativity scene, which will nestle right in the center of that wreath. So one of the things I've recently learned is that silicone mats repel glue and tape runners. I've learned that from other crafters, so this is a very handy tip here. I thought I'd give it a try. I just bought this mat at a big box store in the home section, and it's actually for a microwave turntable. The main thing is just get a silicone mat. And it doesn't specifically have to be a craft mat. I mean, this is from the kitchen section. And sure enough, I got a little adhesive on my mat and it did not stick, which results in a nice clean work surface when you're adhering all your card parts together. So it's true, the silicone repels the glue. Alright, next I will add some tape runner to my wreath mat. You can see, I mean, you get close to the edge, so you do go over sometimes, and your work surface stays completely free of glue. So I highly recommend to go out and get you a silicone mat. Hey, I wanted to share something with you right quick about the wreath. A little bit of history here. So the wreath is actually circles, which are symbols of everlasting life and growth, and it's commonly associated with Christmas holiday season. Earlier civilizations wore wreaths around their heads, necks, and waist. I thought that was interesting, so I thought I'd share it with you. Okay, for my delicate die cuts, I use a spray adhesive. And especially on black, I have no glue residue on my fingers or on the black die cutout or anything. So spray adhesive works well for me for these delicate cutouts. And there is our finished card. Again, I just love making the nativity cards, and I think this one, because of its simplicity, just turns out beautiful. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel or visit me at www.vintagehillstudio.com. Merry Christmas, everyone, and happy crafting!